I don't think people understand how fun it is to explore the Caribbean resorts. Ready to find out? Let's go! Imagine waking up in paradise with the sound of waves and birds calling out, "Good morning!" At My Caribbean Moments, we bring you the best family-friendly resorts that are also eco-friendly. First stop, Beaches, Turks, and Caicos. It's got a gigantic Pirates Island water park. Think lazy rivers, water slides, and even a surf simulator. It's fun and safe, perfect for kids and adults. Next, off to Royalton Splash, Punta Cana. This place is all about big thrills and cool chills. You can splash all day in one of the Caribbean's largest water parks. And guess what? They also have sustainable practices to protect our lovely planet. Now let's head to Atlantis Paradise Island in the Bahamas. It's like a whole different world. Aquaventure is not just a water park. It's got marine life exhibits and giant water slides that make your heart race. Eco-friendly and education go hand in hand here. So ready to explore these amazing resorts? Go to mycaribbeanmoments.com for more island treasures and tips. Don't just visit the Caribbean, get to know the Caribbean. See you there. Bye.